Every technological masterpiece begins deep within the crust of the Earth. Raw minerals are the silent foundation of the world's most advanced smartphone. Precision starts here, with the careful selection of high-grade raw materials. Thousands of tons of earth are moved daily to secure the elements needed for the iPhone. Massive force breaks down the earth, beginning the refinement of the iPhone's metal chassis. From the mine to the mill, the journey of an iPhone is one of constant movement.
Separating the valuable from the mundane requires mechanical precision.
Rare earth elements are carefully isolated to power the iPhone's delicate haptic engine. Chemistry and engineering converge to create the energy cells of the future.
Under extreme heat, raw ore is transformed into pure, industrial-grade aluminum. This glowing liquid will soon become the rigid frame of a smartphone.
Rapid cooling locks in the structural integrity required for a premium device. Every block of raw material must be flawless before it enters the factory line. Organized and ready, the raw materials are prepared for their final transformation. The extraction is complete. The birth of an iPhone has officially begun. The journey from the Earth to the assembly line is thousands of miles long. Every shipment is tracked with digital precision to ensure no delays in the iPhone supply chain. Massive logistics networks move the building blocks of technology across continents. Efficiency is the heartbeat of modern industrial transport. The scale of global trade is visible here, where materials for millions of iPhones converge. Enormous machines handle the weight of the digital revolution. Bound for the manufacturing heartland, the raw materials are now seaborne. Across the oceans, the elements of the iPhone move toward their final form. Technology guides the very materials that will eventually become technology. Arrival at the gate of production marks the end of the first journey. Precision unloading ensures the factory line never stops.
Rail networks provide the high-volume throughput needed for global demand. The materials have reached the final destination, the center of manufacturing. Security is absolute at every entry point of the production cycle.
The raw materials are home. Now, the transformation into an iPhone begins.
This is the heartbeat of global innovation, a facility where dreams meet industrial reality. Precision starts with the people, a synchronized workforce ready for the day's production. In a world of high-value technology, security and identity are paramount. Contamination is the enemy. Every worker must be a shield against microscopic dust. A final blast of air ensures a sterile environment for the iPhone's delicate internal components. Automation handles the heavy lifting, moving raw materials to the heart of the plant. The transformation begins as the raw metal enters the automated processing stream. Flawless raw materials are the only acceptable foundation for a premium device. The factory is a living organism, a labyrinth of coordinated mechanical motion. Even the most delicate glass is handled with industrial-grade precision. Digital blueprints are converted into physical reality through high-speed milling. In iPhone manufacturing, a micron is the difference between perfection and failure. The brains of the device arrive, tracked and verified at every step. Uninterrupted power fuels the non-stop cycle of global production. The entry is over. The raw metal is now ready for its first cleaning. Initial cleaning ensures that every iPhone chassis is free of microscopic machining oils. Cavitating bubbles perform a deep-level scrub on the iPhone's structural metal. A surgical rinse removes all traces of the cleaning agents from the iPhone's surface. Moisture is eliminated instantly, leaving the iPhone chassis pristine for the next stage. Automation sorts the cleaned iPhone components with tireless, robotic accuracy. The human eye remains the final judge of quality in the iPhone counter's early assembly. Every piece of iPhone glass is sorted to ensure perfect optical clarity. Ultraviolet light reveals hidden imperfections that the naked eye might miss. A final vacuuming ensures a zero-dust environment for the iPhone's core. Static-free metal prevents contamination during the iPhone's high-precision assembly. Components move vertically through the plant, optimized for maximum production flow. Sustainability is key. The water used for iPhone cleaning is recycled through advanced filtration. Gentle heat ensures that every crevice of the iPhone chassis is perfectly dry. Nothing is wasted. Every iPhone part that isn't perfect is sent for precision rework.
The cleaning is complete. The iPhone's internal architecture is ready to be born.
Core processing begins in the SMT hall, where the iPhone's brain is meticulously built. Microscopic precision is required, as solder paste is applied to thousands of connection points. Robots move faster than the human eye can track, populating the logic board with vital components.
The A-series chip, the heart of the iPhone, is placed at the center of the digital architecture.
Intense, controlled heat fuses the components into a single, functional circuit. Solidified and cooled, the logic board is now a complex network of billions of transistors. Every solder joint is scanned in 3 dimensions to ensure absolute electrical reliability. X-ray vision allows engineers to verify connections hidden deep within the circuit board. Shielding is installed to protect the iPhone's delicate signals from external interference.
Every board is given a unique identity, etched forever in silicon and steel.
Human dexterity is used to connect the neural pathways that link the screen to the brain. The display core is bonded with microscopic precision to ensure every pixel responds. Vibrant and flawless, the OLED panels are tested for perfect color accuracy. High-density energy cells are prepared, ready to power the iPhone's advanced features. The core components are ready. Now, they move to meet the iPhone's outer shell.
The transformation reaches its peak as internal components meet the iPhone's structural shell. A seamless barrier is created, protecting the iPhone's internal world from the elements.
The brain of the iPhone is now anchored, becoming one with its titanium and aluminum body. Force is measured in millinewtons to ensure every internal connection is vibration-proof. Energy cells are secured with specialized adhesives designed for both stability and future recyclability. The Taptic engine is installed, providing the subtle physical feedback that defines the iPhone experience.
Audio components are integrated, completing the iPhone's internal hardware layout.
Optics and sensors are aligned to a fraction of a micron for the iPhone's advanced imaging. The eye of the iPhone is installed, linking powerful optics directly to the A-series processor. Complex neural paths are routed and shielded to ensure flawless signal integrity. Thermal management is built in, allowing the iPhone to maintain peak performance under load. A final heartbeat check ensures every internal component is communicating.
The marriage of screen and body is a moment of total mechanical synchronization.
With a final, controlled press, the iPhone becomes a singular, solid object. The transformation is complete. A collection of minerals is now a functional iPhone. The high-tech nervous system of the factory guides thousands of iPhones through automated testing. Watch as this row enters the software loading bay. Software is injected with absolute precision, awakening the iPhone's advanced processing power. Automated sensors calibrate every iPhone screen to ensure perfect, industry-leading color profiles. Precision automation verifies that every haptic response in the iPhone feels exactly as intended. Every lens on the iPhone is tested by AI to guarantee sharp, crystal-clear imaging. Vacuum testing confirms the iPhone's seal, ensuring it meets strict water resistance standards. Automation stress tests the iPhone's physical controls for a lifetime of reliable use. Wireless power transfer is verified, ensuring the iPhone's internal coils are perfectly aligned. Signal integrity is tested in a silent void to ensure the iPhone's connectivity is world-class. AI-driven vision systems inspect every millimeter of the iPhone for even the smallest imperfection. Total surface inspection ensures that every iPhone looks perfect from every angle. Physical ports are tested for durability, ensuring the iPhone's charging connection remains solid. Thermal automation ensures the iPhone stays cool even under intense processing loads. Internal sensors are calibrated to the horizon, providing the iPhone with its sense of space. With all systems verified by automation, the iPhone is ready for its final finish. Precision finishing transforms industrial metal into the iconic, smooth texture of the iPhone. Every square millimeter of the iPhone screen must be optically perfect before the final seal. Permanent markings are etched with light, finalizing the iPhone's unique identity. A specialized coating is applied to the iPhone to resist fingerprints and maintain its pristine look. Ultraviolet energy bonds the protective layers to the iPhone glass in seconds. Human touch verifies the mechanical perfection that automation can only measure. Neutralizing static charge is the final step in keeping the iPhone free of environmental dust. Even the deepest ports of the iPhone are vacuum cleaned to ensure flawless connectivity.
A temporary shield is applied to the iPhone screen to protect it during its journey to the customer.
Buffing brings out the final luster, highlighting the premium materials of the iPhone. Every seamless edge is checked, ensuring the iPhone feels like a single, solid piece of art. Digital precision ensures that every curve of the iPhone is smooth to the touch. A final microscopic layer is added to enhance the depth and shine of the iPhone. The finishing touch is applied by hand, ensuring the iPhone is ready for the world.
The finishing line ends, and the iPhones move toward their final quality examination.
The Quality Control Lab is where every iPhone must prove its endurance and perfection.
Sound clarity is verified in a room of total silence, ensuring every iPhone note is crisp.
Billions of colors are analyzed to guarantee the iPhone's display meets the highest industry standards. Structural integrity is tested to the limit, ensuring the iPhone can survive the accidents of daily life. Constant impact testing proves the durability of the iPhone's titanium and glass construction. Water resistance is verified under pressure, confirming the iPhone's survival in the harshest conditions. From Arctic cold to desert heat, the iPhone is engineered to perform in any climate. Wireless antennas are pushed to their limits to ensure the iPhone's connectivity is always lightning fast. Secure authentication is verified by mapping thousands of points with invisible infrared light. Battery safety and longevity are tested through rigorous high-speed charge and discharge cycles. Atomic level inspection ensures the iPhone's camera glass is free of even the smallest structural flaws. Every physical button is tested for a lifetime of use, ensuring the iPhone remains responsive for years.
Hardness testing confirms the iPhone's resistance to the scratches and scuffs of everyday use.
Processor stability is tested under extreme load to ensure the iPhone never slows down. With every test passed, the iPhone is now officially certified for the world. The final journey begins here, where technology meets its elegant presentation. A temporary shield is applied, ensuring the iPhone reaches the user in pristine condition. Minimalist design extends to the packaging, crafted with structural precision. Device and package meet, fitting together with zero tolerance for error. Essential components are added, completing the set for the end user. The iconic vacuum seal fit is the final mechanical signature of the iPhone box. Digital tracking links the device inside to the data on the box forever. Security seals ensure the iPhone remains untouched from the factory to the consumer. Efficiency scales as individual iPhones are prepared for global distribution. Securely sealed, the iPhone shipments are ready for the long journey ahead.
Final box going down. Perfect. Swivel. Let's wrap it up.
In the climate-controlled warehouse, the iPhones await their final dispatch to the world.
The final step in a journey of thousands of miles and millions of operations. And this is how modern factories produce iPhones from start to finish. I... comment what's next.